What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over Polygon MATIC, currently sitting, at $1.73. We're up about 1% on the day, sitting a market cap of 13.19 billion, 24-hour volume 756 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app, and you can grab one of the incredible Visa cards, cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime. Travel incentives, $25 just for signing up through my referral. I'm just going to quickly turn off the AC. You can see my new Airbnb here. Hope you guys like it. The AC is a little bit noisy though. Whoa, all right, let's jump into the technical analysis. So we're here on the 4-hour time frames. So we're hitting quite a bit of resistance right on our break even. I think that's a little bit funny. Maybe some of you are like, well, I don't think so. I want to make some money. But the more you hit resistance, the higher likelihood you are to break through. Not always, just the higher likelihood. And you can see right here, we created a triple top. You can see right here, top, second top, third top. We broke the neckline, boom, came down, met the technical target, bounced up, and we're retesting resistance once again. Now it's the weekend, so trading volume is low, so it is a little bit slow over the weekend most of the time. So we'll see if we can break 172 going into next week. If we do come down, we do have that strong level of support at 158, and then your next level of support right around 150 and then 136. Our break evens at 172. We've had 5 entries. With our dollar cost average strategy, equal amounts at each buy zone brings your average price down halfway each time. So let's pop over to the daily time frame. So on the daily, it's looking really, really good. We've back tested the EMAs. We're just about to have the bullish cross. We're currently holding the 55, and we're sitting right above the 200 EMA, this red line coming in here. So it's looking healthy. I mean, as long as we can stay above these levels, you can see a nice push up to 182. We're hitting quite a bit of resistance on that 170 mark, which is the previous swing high. But we're in technical targets to 205. As I've been mentioning, we have the massive descending broadening wedge with a target of about 291. So the major resistance, of course, break 170, head up to 182. As I always mention, when you break the previous high, higher likelihood you're coming all the way up to the 1.618. At about 197. So we'll pop over to our next chart, which is Ethereum on the daily time frame. So we've come all the way up to the 1.618 at 3468, and that's where we're hitting our resistance. Beautiful breakout. I mean, we just absolutely exploded for ETH. We had the bullish cross, and we're currently just consolidating. So the bullish scenario, we continue to consolidate, and we allow the EMAs to catch back up to the candles before seeing continuation, or we see a little bit of retracement, which would be healthy here. We are trending towards overbought, and we are quite overbought on the money flow. So if we do retrace, we come down quite possibly to the 1.272 once again at about 3219. EMAs catch back up to the candles, and we see continuation. If we were to lose the EMAs, then you would target that previous swing high at about 3041. Our next chart here, which is also on the daily time frame, we're very, very close to reaching the technical target of our double bottom pattern. Beautiful breakout here. And that target is coming in at about 3779. Sorry, my Fibonacci got pulled off here. It was probably while I was on my phone. Okay, so you can see we're coming up to test the golden ratio. This is the most important level of resistance for ETH. We have absolutely exploded here, but if we fail to break through the golden ratio, we can get rejected and then continue to roll over and continue this downtrend. So it's very, very crucial to get back above 3563, get back above the golden ratio. Higher likelihood you're coming back up to where you started, the previous all-time high, and then we can head all the way up for the 1.618 extension, coming in at about 8,000. Let me drop in a little price tag, which would be extremely juicy. But of course, we have to watch for that dead cat bounce scenario. So 3563 is such a major level. And then of course the 0.786, which is coming in here at about 4081. And of course, if we want to avoid that dead cat bounce scenario, we need to break through these levels. But Ethereum, it's looking really, really healthy. It absolutely exploded. So hopefully we see a little bit of consolidation. We stay a little bit range bound. We allow the EMAs to catch back up to the candles, and we see continuation to the upside. If we get rejected, we lose the EMAs, we come all the way back down. that would be pretty bearish in my opinion, and we may go through that dead cat bounce scenario. But as of right now, we're consolidating. We're looking healthy for continuation. We've had the bullish cross, so we're seeing exactly what we want to see for continuation. If we look at the long positions, they have been taking profits all the way up here, to be expected. We just absolutely exploded, and the long positions have been scooping up their earnings. If we look at the shorts, we did see a large increase in shorts, and we haven't seen a huge drop in the price, so that may be an early indicator that we could definitely see some pullback. Would be healthy in my opinion to come back to about 3219, allow the EMAs to catch back up to the candles before seeing continuation back to the upside. We'll finish off the video here with MATIC. In the short term, if we do get rejected, we lose the EMAs, just target 158 as your level of support here. We'll take a quick look at the 1 hour time frame and see what we can see. So we reached the top section on the RSI while money was flowing out, starting to roll a little bit here. So we could definitely see a nice little bounce off about $1.66 as well for MATIC. If we were to see some harsher sell-off, of course, I'll always give you your levels of support. We have $1.50. You can see resistance support in this area, and then we have $1.36 is a very, very strong level of support for our friend MATIC. But hopefully what we see is we just consolidate, we bounce, and we head up to 189, and then your next level of resistance about 215, which lines up with the technical target of this symmetrical wedge pattern. That is it for MATIC. Shout out to the Discord, over 1,800 members talking all things crypto, posting chart patterns. We have the DCA trade strategy fully explained. The DCA charts today, we took profits on Mana 5.8%, Gala 5%, ADA 6% profit. So if you want to trade with us live, sign up to the Discord, 350 USD, and then we also have buy and take profit zones based off support, resistance, Fibonacci. And if you want to trade with me, sign up to Bybit. And if it's too bright in this room, I'm trying to get the lighting right, just let me know. I know I'm only a little pixel in the corner, but I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.